So we're at the exterior here at the 1980 townhouse doing the exterior. They've replaced some of the cladding and it should be compliant with today's standards. You'll see over here it goes down into the grade. All right, so usually it's not, when it's installed correctly, it's not into the grade, so it allows you to identify hidden travel plans for infestation and stuff like that. But with it going into the grade, anything is not visible now, nothing is visible. So interior conditions are unknown. At this point, we recommend having a pest control operator properly, treat and do everything that's necessary to prevent infestation.